Hey guys, Carlos here with Bear Bull Traders, and here's my recap for today. This morning I couldn't find any good trades. I was not able to pick out anything out of our watch list that seemed really good. So I really struggled getting into a good opening range breakdown or breakup or even a reversal. So I thought it was going to be a day where I had no trades that were going to be made, but right over here, I was able to find a trade that worked out really nice. But prior to this trade, before we get into this one, prior to this trade, I wanted to get in short actually on MDR right over here. So once it came up here and it started selling off, I wanted to go short here. So I sent an order to sit on the ask, and then immediately just started dropping and did not get filled. I left my order on there just in case it'll come up, test it, stop loss above these wicks over here. It came up one more time right here, and I still didn't get filled. I think it was about 3 cents or 2 cents off. Then it started dropping again below VWAP. This was the move that I was expecting. And then it went all the way down to 705. So probably like a 20 cents, 25 cents move down here. Once it got to VWAP and it started selling off, I canceled my order, and I saw that as an opportunity missed there. But then I kept watching these stocks, kept looking around for other stocks to possibly trade. Everything just seemed really extended. GE didn't look great. It was extended already. KHC had a great opening range breakdown. So I didn't find anything that was good. So I kept watching this stock. It came back above VWAP, and I thought around this area, this could be good for a long. So I not hit the hockey. I wanted to get into this long here, but I hit the hockey really late. I was hesitant to get into this trade. Again, after not trading all day and missing opportunities. This should have been the entry. I got filled all the way up here based on my late reaction. But I kept my stop loss. I kept my stop loss down here. I did give this enough room. It came down. And then you can see it better in the 5-minute chart. Started squeezing up, following this moving average actually. The 9 EMA followed it perfect all the way up to 817. So it squeezed up. I was not expecting this great move here. At this point, I set my stop loss, and around this time frame, I started doing other stuff around the house and went to the gym. So I was watching this through my mobile app. And it went all the way up to 817. I was not expecting that. When it went to 817, I said, maybe this is a good time to take everything out. I did get a little greedy here. I'm not going to lie. I said, you know what? Let's see if this can get to 840. Maybe I could get a dollar move out of this. But then 817 was the highest it went. It started selling off from there, went below 8. I set a limit order out to 8. And I was out before the market closed here. So again, turned out to be a really good trade. Did not expect this move, but it was really a day where I struggled to find anything at the open, so was not able to take advantage of some of the moves that we had. So join us tomorrow 8:30 Eastern time. We'll go over my watch list and how these stocks traded. Me and Norm will then get into our gappers list and see what we can find to trade tomorrow morning. Take care, guys.